Something a little different today. Wanted to give you a demo of MyAICoFounder. Welcome back to the idea supply chain, where we take a look at where ideas come from and what makes them valuable. In today's video, I just wanted to give you a walkthrough of MyAICoFounder. It's been undergoing a lot of changes. Launched last week. I guess actually technically beginning of this week. And been kind of steadily iterating and improving it throughout the week based on feedback I've been getting. So let's take a look, shall we? So right here, we've got kind of the main thoughts, right? This is where I want to capture what you're thinking in order to allow you to take action on those thoughts. And so let's say, for instance, that I want to, let's see. So I think I need to make a YouTube video demoing the app. Perfect. Now that thought's in there. It's one of the nice improvements I made. I don't know if you saw one of the earlier versions, but before you had to click the button. Now it just enter works and then automatically appears kind of in the feed below, as opposed to previously kind of being a bit delayed. But then you can click do, and so this is pretty cool here. So let's say I want to write a script for the YouTube video. And so now what it's going to do is it's actually going to pull in all of the matching thoughts it can find. And so this pulls in a few related thoughts, and then we'll just go ahead and click confirm there. And from here, what it's doing is it's actually creating an action plan. So it's trying to figure out, based on what you wanted to do and what the related thoughts were, it's going to try to build you a plan of action. And so it's going to take a few seconds here. And once that comes back, we'll actually be able to take a look at the plan it created. There we go. Perfect. All right. So in this case, it outlines some steps here. And so the nice thing is, as you put in more and more thoughts, and it can get more and more accurate in terms of what you're thinking you want to create, these steps are going to get a lot clearer. And so it's going to make it easier for you to come in here and kind of mess with the different steps and kind of make them more your own. And I'm going to be adding in some more improvements there. But once you have the action plan you want in place, then you can just start generating tasks. And this is actually going to break down that action plan into individual tasks for you to complete. And so this will take a few seconds here. And once it's done, it's going to take us over to the task screen, where we'll be able to take a look at the task and then drill into the details of like the various subtasks. And boom, understand the purpose of the video, and so see, it shows you, and then it actually tells you like, oh hey, this is blocking this kind of parent task here. And so you get some details on the subtask, and then you can kind of navigate back. And so I'll be adding in some more stuff, so I'll be able to help you actually complete the subtasks. And from now, it's just going to be adding tools and things that the app is going to have access to, that'll be able to actually do some of these things for you. So really excited where this piece is headed, because it's this is really the main bit of the app that's going to help me figure out what people actually want to get done. And then I'll be able to take that and turn it into things like a task marketplace. I'll be able to use that to inform the tools that I want to build that are available for users to be able to create whatever they want. And it's very, very extensible for me, and I'm able to toss a lot of different things into this that can help actually get work done as quickly and efficiently as possible, which is the whole point of MyAICoFounder. It's working at the speed of thought. It's how quickly can you jot down something very small and then expand that and use that to actually accomplish work. Because let's be honest, that's sometimes the hardest thing, is just breaking things down into these bite-sized pieces that you can actually handle. And the more you kind of play around with this, and the more you put in, the better it's going to be for you. So that part's pretty cool. And then finally, one of the things I added in here is a chat feature. Pay no attention to that piece. That's still kind of a placeholder from the earlier implementation. And so now it's going to try to pull in all the thoughts and it's going to try to anticipate what I actually want it to do. So let's see what we get here. That's interesting. Stay tuned for the script draft. So still have some work to do there. Not the most effective chatbot yet, but again, it's going to be able to pull in more and more thoughts. It's going to have eventually have a context of the work you need done, and so being able to kind of combine all of these things is a great way to make it very, very effective for you to do what you want to do. And that's, again, the whole idea of working at the speed of thought. It's all based on your thoughts and the way you do things, and that very, very personalized level of what you get is going to make it a much better experience for you. At least that's the intention. So anyway, would love you to try it out. Let me know what you think. It's all free right now. Just mostly trying to get people using it and getting that feedback, because the more feedback I get, the better I can make the app, and the better it can be for you, the user. So yeah, let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.